Hello. Welcome back to Maci, English for Kids. Today, we are going to learn about the present simple tense, one of the most important tenses in English. Part 1. What is the present simple? The present simple tense is used to talk about what usually happens in the present. We use the present simple to talk about things that are true for a long time. Examples: I live in Paris. She works in a hospital. Facts that are always true. Examples: the sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Things we do again and again. Examples: I play soccer every Saturday. They go to school by bus. Things that are fixed by a schedule. Examples: the train leaves at 8 o'clock. School starts at 9 a.m. Part 2. How to make positive sentences. To make a positive sentence, start with the subject and then add the base form of the verb. For I, you, we, they, just use the base form of the verb. Examples: I play soccer. They like pizza. For he, she, it, add s, or ies to the verb. Examples: he plays soccer. She watches TV. The bird flies very fast. Okay, now let's talk about some important rules for the present simple, especially when we use he, she, or it. First, when we make sentences with he, she, it, we usually add s to the verb. For example, play becomes plays. Read becomes reads. But if the verb ends with sh, ch, ss, or x, or o, we add es. For example, wash becomes washes. Watch becomes watches. Go becomes goes. And if the verb ends with a consonant plus y, we change the y to I and add es. For example, study becomes studies. Carry becomes carries. Part 3. How to make negative sentences. To make a negative sentence, start with the subject, add do not or does not, and then add the base form of the verb. Examples: I don't like broccoli. They don't play basketball. He doesn't watch TV in the morning. Now, something very important. When we make negative sentences with don't or doesn't, the verb goes back to its base form, no more s, so we say, he doesn't play, not he doesn't plays. Part 4. Asking questions. To ask a question, start with do or does, then add the subject, and finally add the base form of the verb. Subjects I, you, we, they take do before them. Subjects he, she, it take does before them. The subject always stays in its base form in questions. Examples: do you like pizza? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Does she play the piano? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Part 5. Special verbs. Some verbs are irregular in the present simple. The verb be becomes am, is, or are. Examples: I am happy. She is my friend. They are students. The verb have becomes has for he, she, it. Examples: I have a dog. He has a cat. And the verb do becomes does for he, she, it. Examples: I do my homework. She does her homework. Part 6. Adverbs of frequency. We also use adverbs of frequency with the present simple to talk about how often something happens. Never, rarely, seldom, sometimes, often, usually, always. Examples: I always brush my teeth. She usually walks to school. And we can also use time expressions like every day, every week, every month, every summer, every Monday, once a month, twice a week, 3 times a year. Examples: we play basketball every Wednesday evening. They go to the gym twice a week. Now, where do we put these adverbs in the sentence? Most of the time, they go before the main verb. For example, I always brush my teeth. But if we use the verb be, the adverb goes after be. For example, she is always happy. So remember these rules when you make your own sentences. Part 7. Practice together. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I play the guitar. They go to the park every Sunday. I don't like coffee. They don't swim in winter. Do you like ice cream? And that's it for today. See you next time on Maci, English for Kids. Bye-bye.